Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna make chicken shorba. This is basically a kind of hot soup specially relished across Middle East flavored with strong spices. This shorba is the most popular dish that is served during iftar in Arab countries. And it has health benefits too. Do subscribe to my channel and watch the video fully to know about it. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 1 onion finely chopped, 3 green chillies, some coriander leaves, 1 cube of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 heap tablespoon of tomato paste, 200 grams of chicken with skin, 1 small piece of dried ginger, 3 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 4 pieces of cloves and cardamom, 1.5 tablespoons of cumin seeds and coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of pepper and 1 dried lemon, half a cup of oats, 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 liter of water. Take a pot on a medium flame, add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil to it. Once the oil becomes hot, add the finely chopped onions to it. Saute the onions until it changes its color slightly. Once the color of onions gets changed, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to it and saute it until the raw smell is gone. Now add the green chilies and a cube of chicken stock to it. Give it a quick mix. Then add 1 heap tablespoon of tomato paste to it and mix it well. This chicken shorba is tasty, super healthy and full of nutrition, and it's very filling and it keeps you full and energetic for a longer time, and it reduces the craving for eating fried items, especially during Ramadan. And it also has a high source of fluid which is very essential for the body while fasting. Now add the finely chopped tomatoes to it. And give it a quick mix. Then I am adding half a teaspoon of rock salt to it. Mix it and wait until the tomatoes becomes mushy. When the tomatoes become slightly mushy, add the chicken pieces to it and give it a quick mix. You can even use mutton pieces if you want. Cover it and leave it until the chicken gets cooked. Now I am transferring all the dry spices to this box. You can even use a clean muslin cloth if you don't have the spice box. I have transferred all the dried ingredients to this box except the dried ginger and the dried lemon. Now the chicken is almost cooked well and the oil starts separating. Add 1.5 liters of water to it. Now add the dried lemon and the dried ginger to it. And then add the spice box into the water. Cover it and leave it until the water boils. Now you can see the water is boiling. Now adding oats to it. Here I have used around half a cup of oats. While adding oats, make sure to add it little by little at a time and keep stirring it continuously so that no lumps are formed. If you prefer the shorba to be more thick, you can add more oats to it. And in case if you have added more oats to it, you can adjust it by adding more water to it. Now remove the spice box from it. Cover and leave it until it boils on a low flame. Make sure to stir it after every 2 to 3 minutes, otherwise the oats might catch at the bottom. Now the shorba is almost ready. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. Now our delicious shorba is ready to be served. This is a super healthy and a must-try recipe for this Ramadan. Hope you all like this recipe. Try this recipe at your home and do send me your valuable feedbacks. Ingredients are given in the description box below. Do check it out. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you all for watching.